Tired of the insufficient space on your wardrobe top shelves? Time for a game changer. No more worrying about overloading your shelves. Here at Logistical Trader, we're turning that problem chaos into a well-organized haven. With these easy top shelf solutions, it's not just possible, it's a breeze. And guess what? Delivery and installation is free for Greater Sydney when you order through our online store. Look below. At the bottom of your screen is the link. Click the subscribe button above to receive a further 5% discount. Choose from our carefully engineered CAD designs. Hover over the size listed in red corresponding closest to your existing top shelf length. Then click Read the Specs, check out, and we send you a confirmation. It's that easy. Our designs are built for maximum strength and durability, ensuring your shelves stand the test of time. Revolutionize your storage today with easy top shelf solutions. Say goodbye to sagging, dangerous shelves and hello to a neat and tidy home. Why settle for clutter when you can have organized bliss? At Logistical Trader, we're here to make life easier.